Yes.
Hi, everybody. This is Dr. Edward Condrat, and I'm very excited about our upcoming vision event. We have this event every year, and this is an opportunity where I share with you through some key individuals on exciting new treatments, new modalities, and maybe just some common sense methods for you to help improve your vision. And this year, I have my good friend, Dr. James McNair, who, believe it or not, is an ophthalmologist, a board-certified ophthalmologist who embraces all of these therapies that we've been doing. So, Dr. McNair, I'm very happy to have you on this webinar.
Well, thank you, Dr. Conrad. I can't think of any place I'd rather be right now. So, glad
So
to join.
tell me, this is going to be, you're scheduled for March the 5th, and you're going to be talking about some of the material in your most recent book, Smart Way to Healing, A Simple Guide to Understanding Integrative Medicine. So can you share with us some of the things you'll be talking about?
Well, I keep coming back to two things that I seem to know that no one else knows for some reason, and it keeps surprising me because of almost every person I talk with about two simple, I think, considered to be simple things. And the first one, I think most people will understand very easily, and that is the importance of water. And in fact, I have in front of me now a bottle of Alkalife that talks about Alkalife is alkaline water, and we're reading more about alkaline water and how to balance the pH in the body. But just how important, Dr. Conrad, that hydration is. I am seeing people almost every week at least that have had a stroke of the eye or somehow affecting the vision.
And they're dehydrated.
And they're dehydrated.
Yeah.
Almost always, that is one of the main factors in people's health for their eyes, as well as the rest of the body, of course. And so that's a simple, easy, understandable, inexpensive, very important way of helping people's eyes. And the dry eye syndrome, that is probably, if not the most important, or most common, I should say, the most common cause of a visit to the ophthalmologist, the dry eye problem. And then, so that, along with other things, now there are other things that I talk about to patients, try to help them understand how they can really cure their dry eye problem. And now, so that's, I think, fairly easy to understand and fairly common. But the thing that I have wanted to get this word out for years now, that I have seen over the years, the importance of statin drugs and the impact on people's vision. We have
you mean the importance of not to take them?
Well, exactly. Well, here's the thing. Yes, statin drugs are designed to lower the cholesterol, and that is supposed to help lower the incidence of cardiovascular disease and other problems. And in fact, that is a true statement, I think, but it's a very small reduction in cardiovascular disease, and it's at the expense of a lot of side effects, and sometimes really dangerous side effects, as you know. But I see a lot of times, every day, I will ask the person if they're having trouble focusing, particularly serious trouble like double vision and loss of their ability to read, and driving in the middle of the traffic, and all of a sudden they see double, and that, so it's can be a very dangerous thing. And ask them almost every person to the person if they are taking CoQ10 to balance the effect of statin drugs on their CoQ10 level.
Interesting.
And certainly they almost to the person, again, and I like to say it's several people a day that I will ask. Extremely rare to have anybody that is having trouble focusing, that doesn't say, yeah, I never take CoQ10. Yes, I've heard of it maybe on TV or whatever. But when they start taking it, Dr. Conrad, almost always they get much improvement in their ability to focus. Double vision will go away. If their doctor will let them get off of statin drugs for a short time, that will help speed the recovery up. But this is not a well-known fact, apparently, even though it's easy to find in the literature, easy to find on the internet.
Well, I want everybody that's viewing this, you got to sign up for the vision event because Dr. McNair has all these little tricks and secrets he's going to share with you that are going to help your vision. He has a wealth of information. He just has published a book, and he's going to talk about that. So sign up, go to visionevent2022.com. Sign up. And the best part of it, this is a free event. We are asking you for a small donation to help us on our mission work. But if you're financially strapped and you can't afford a donation, that's okay. We just want you to join the event so you learn valuable things to help not only your eye and vision, but your general health.
General health.
So Dr. McNair, I really look forward to it. I'm going to be taking notes. So you're going to be up on March the 5th. So thank you so much for taking time to give us a little preview of your talk.
Happy to do it anytime.
Okay. Good. Talk to you later.
Okay, great.